Hi, I'm Shelley Young, owner of the Chopping Block, and today I'm going to teach you how to make clarified butter or ghee. What we need is a pound of unsalted butter that I'm going to put into a 3-quart saucepan. Put that over medium heat. And what we're going to do with this is cook that. It's going to start to pop and bubble. The milk solids will separate out. And what we're left with is really the pure butter. The pure butter we use oftentimes for sauteing, and what that allows us to do is get a little higher smoke point when we're sauteing our steaks or our vegetables and things like that, and that's really the purpose to do it. You can hear the butter. The noise is slowing down. It's just about to stop. What's going to happen is I'm going to turn that off. Once it cools down a bit, I'm going to pour it into a clear container so I can see the solids and the liquid, and then we'll let that cool a bit, and we're going to separate out the milk solids. So to finish our ghee or clarified butter, I'm going to go around the perimeter of the bowl here. I'm going to skim off the solids that have floated to the top, discard that, and then we're going to remove the pure fat that's in the center, leaving the solids that are in the bottom of the bowl in the bottom of the bowl. What's in the middle here is really our clarified butter or ghee. Once you've separated the solids and you just have your pure ghee or clarified butter, you want to refrigerate this. And this will really last for a good month or so in the refrigerator, just like regular butter would, perhaps even longer. And that is how you make clarified butter.